What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Sam? Quick demo video for you for your Saberforge Saber. Although you and I went over this in a video call because I don't have internet at my new house yet. I'm going to go ahead and record this today, and then I'll upload this as soon as I get that all hooked up, and then I'll send you the link just so that you can have something to refer back to. Right, but here we are. Took all the old electronics from Saberforge out, put a CFX in here. You've got CC Sabers in here for your lit PCB. Went from a 1-button setup to a 2-button. So your top is your activation. Your bottom here is your auxiliary. How you get to everything is you just want to unscrew the pommel. So we'll do that real quick. Once you unscrew the pommel, you see your speaker right there. Your chassis will fall right out into your hand just like that. And then here's your chassis. So you got your CFX board right here. You can come in, get to the SD card very easy, in and out there. You've got a smuggler's outpost, 28mm Elite speaker, and then this uses the SO SwitchPixel PCB set that we went over on the video. You've got this part here that hooks up to the 14-pin PCB. That you can kind of see that right there. There's a chassis piece in here that holds that PCB and your top one. It's about this long or so, and it's held in place with this grub screw, so you don't ever want to mess with that. But this top one is your blade retention. Okay, when we throw a battery in this guy, like I said, I would take the sticker off your battery. It'd make it a little bit easier to get the chassis out, because it's a snug fit when it's in. Throw the battery in there. Throw it in the pommel. Just like that. And then throw the pommel on. Screw it down as far as it goes so it locks everything into place. Activation, auxiliary. Super loud. We'll go ahead and throw a blade in this guy. This takes a 1-inch diameter Neopixwl blade. And we'll throw it in. I'll show you. We'll talk about your blade retention screw because it's a 2-part rub screw. As you know, this is your blade retention right here, but when you loosen this guy, if you were to take this all the way out, it's what's holding the shroud on your saber too. So don't back that all the way out. Just back it out far enough to put your blade in, and then tighten it down. Flash on flash. Change color. Try to find a blue. Right here, you just tap a button, and then when you turn it back on, you got a blue blade. Just like that. And we'll take the blade out and go over taking the chassis out. Super easy to do. Just want to make sure we go over it one time. We'll take the pommel off. If you don't take the sticker off your battery, it's fine, but it makes the chassis a little bit more snug in there. So you want to take this with your hand like this and cup your other hand and just go like that a few times until the chassis pops out about like that, and then you can just come over here and take it out with your hand. And then from the positive side of the battery over here by the speaker, we can pop it out with our finger, just like that. And then we'll throw this back into here for safekeeping. And that is pretty much your saber. So let me know if you got any questions. And of course, this is going out in the mail today, and it will probably be in your hands by the time you're watching this. All right. Thanks, man.